In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add column in AppSheet. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the right settings so your data is clean and ready for your app. First, open your browser and head to appsheet.com. This takes you to the AppSheet workspace where you manage data and apps. If you're following along with a fresh setup, we'll start from the main dashboard so everything is clear and consistent. Next, look toward the top left and click Create. This is your starting point for anything new in AppSheet. From here, select Database. We're choosing Database because we're working on the underlying data structure that your app will use, not building a user interface just yet. Now click New Database. AppSheet will open the database workspace where you can see your tables and schema. Think of this as the blueprint of your data. Adding a column here makes the field available to your app and keeps everything consistent across views and forms. On the right side of the screen, you'll find the option to Add Column. Click that, you'll see a panel to configure your new column. This is where naming and data typing matter most. Type a clear, descriptive column name. Make it obvious what the field is for so future you and anyone else on your team knows exactly how to use it. For example, order date, customer notes, or total amount are far better than something vague. Consistency is key. Stay with a simple naming style that you can reuse across your tables. Now select a column type that matches the kind of data you'll store. Choose text for freeform entries, number or decimal for values you'll calculate or sort, date or date time for scheduling, yes, no for simple toggles, email or phone for contact details, image for photos, and enum if you want users to pick from a defined list. Picking the right type up front helps with validation, improves the user experience in forms, and makes filtering and sorting more reliable later. When you're happy with the name and type, click Save. AppSheet applies the change to your database and makes the new column available to your app. If your app is already connected to this table, the new column will appear in your data schema and can be used in views, forms, and expressions. That's it. You navigated to AppSheet, created a database workspace, added a new column, chose the correct type, and saved your changes. If you need to adjust anything later, you can return to the same panel to edit the column settings and save again.